Wait na ako ata. To over. Let's go. I think we're ready. We are off to our camping/training at Camp Corazon. But are you ready?
Next we have Piedad District. Grabe energy ang Piedad. Kaya doon lang maguna. Next we have from Marilog North. Donna and Juliana, credential trainer and our commissioner. Next we have Miss Epifani, our real staff and building and staff and staff prayer. Next we have Tuesday outdoor. This begins by sharing a familiar quote that I believe perfectly captures the spirit of this dream. Coming together a beginning. Nada dari si Maya nak ma'am. Dari si aw.
Oh, ala. Diyan dapat katindi na manguli niyo katahon tong kuan na to.
Who are we?
We are Earth.
How do we fly?
Soaring high.
Go!
Pretty little birdie, soar high. Pretty little birdie, soar high. We are the soaring birds.
Ako lang magpo. Down the lane, yes, na. B. Unsa yung pakaon? Unsa imong i-serve? So, parehas diri sa tuan na agyon na sila naka-prepare na isda.
Thank you, Lord, for giving us food. Thank you, Lord, for giving us food right where we are.
Okay, number 10. Know how to cook something for yourself and for small group. Okay. Pero sa pagkakaroon, kung magkamping mo, ang nagaluto pizza. Si Tita. Kaya nga naman, tungod sa kadaghan. Isa kay Clabits na.
Clabits pala yan, bagsak ako.
So, napurchay unsa doon. Okay. Nauna siya. Yes, diba? Nakaano siya. Okay. So, kani siya diri, mo ni ang saying S. Then, pag nahuman, then Anthony, mo niya ang diri sa likod. Okay, ano na siya? Diri na siya.
Sana, ma'am.
Mataan na kay imong ibalhin. Imo na siyang alsahon. So para dili ka mapugos og alsa ng bata kay transfer nimo sa lugar na safe, kailangan inani na lang sa kay kung ikaw nanghipos pa ka sa mga importanteng gamit sa sulod sa camp. O ang bata dito na imong gibilin wala na, basa na. So unsay himuon ni tita?
Seven. Pila na dira? 2, 4, 6, o 7. Sakapay da.
In the gloaming, come sing and be merry. Comes Christ burning, draw nearer, kingdom. Oh, how lovely.
There are people trying, just can't enough with living to make a better place for you and Good morning. It's 4:30 a.m. Yeah. It was a night, but it's tragic. Yes, I think civilian muna. Mamaya na yung business attire, no? Yeah, so kailangan mo na mag-civilian. Saan pang maaga mag-breakfast pa, di ba? Yes mo nga. Yan guys, it's 4:10 a.m. and so andito kami sa Camp Corazon. You know, my 6-day training. And this is the last day. Tulog doon.
Pero, palihog ko kung pilo. Saan sa pagpilo? Anaarat sir para dili makita to na toyo. Ay wala man. Para dili makita ni man ka ba? Ang mancha daw yun. Dapat ka na, sir?
Ha?
Dapat ka na?
Hindi kay Sir, ano na eh? Sir Grace. Ito man. Ayan dito sila.
Yan nalain. Atong kahoy gana danger po to siya. Danger gyapon. Keep straight ahead. Duha mo ka makahitan. Ay, isa naman. Ay, turn right. Turn right. Left. Left. Shortcut. Turn left. Shortcut. Shortcut. Straight ahead, 1, 2, 3, go. Palarong pambansa. 1, 2, 3, one, sayaw. La 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 Hoy, straight line. Unsa man niyo? Danger ata na. Assign. Left. Left. Sagbot. Sagbot. Hitan. Hitan.
Sagbot. Kung sa mga pangalan sa sagbot, ito rumban sa off, right?
Okay.
Okay.
There are people who will give us lessons. Lessons of fear, lessons of shame, lessons of embarrassment, lessons of good things. And there are also people who give us the inspiration. Those who inspire us, in spite and despite all of the many disappointments that we have. Let us, therefore, let into our lives these two kinds of people. The people who are blessings to us and the people who are giving lessons to us. This will make us better. This will make us more amazing than what we are at present. For the glory of God, we continue to serve. Good afternoon.